Money, the elusive beast we chase. The green-eyed monster that seems to hold the keys to happiness and success. We hustle, we grind, and sometimes, we even dream about it. But what if I told you that the ultimate secret about money isn't just about chasing it? Sit tight, because we're about to embark on a journey through the untold truths of money. Hey there, welcome to Clumbox, your go-to spot for unlocking the secrets to true wealth, gaining control over your finances, and leveling up your lifestyle. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the belief that money equals happiness. Sure, having enough cash to buy that fancy car or take luxurious vacations can bring joy. But true happiness? That's a whole different story. It's like expecting a slice of pizza to solve all your life's problems. Don't get me wrong, pizza is fantastic, but it won't pay your bills or mend a broken heart. Now, imagine money as your quirky sidekick on life's roller coaster. Sometimes it's there, cheering you on with confetti cannons, and other times it's hiding in the bathroom, pretending to be a plant. The point is, money comes and goes, but your experiences, memories, and relationships, those are the real treasures that money can't buy. Speaking of relationships, let's talk about the awkward dance between money and love. Picture this, you're on a romantic date. Everything's going swimmingly until the bill arrives. Cue the dramatic music as you both glance nervously at each other, silently debating who should foot the bill. The joys of modern romance. But here's the truth bomb: money shouldn't be a deal breaker in relationships. If you're with someone who loves you for your bank account rather than your witty one-liners and questionable dance moves, it might be time to reevaluate your priorities. After all, a partner who sticks with you through the highs and lows, regardless of your bank balance, is worth more than all the gold in Fort Knox. Now, let's address the million-dollar question: how do you actually make money? Sure, you could follow the traditional route of climbing the corporate ladder or investing in the stock market. But where's the fun in that? Why not think outside the box and explore unconventional avenues like selling homemade crafts on Etsy or monetizing your obscure talent for juggling flaming marshmallows? Remember, the key to unlocking the money vault isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Look for opportunities to leverage your skills and passions in ways that bring value to others. Whether it's creating content online, starting a side hustle, or inventing the next million-dollar gadget, the possibilities are as endless as a bottomless brunch mimosa. Of course, with great money comes great responsibility. It's like being handed a lightsaber. Sure, it's cool, but you better know how to wield it without chopping off your own arm. In other words, financial literacy is your lightsaber in the battle against debt, impulse purchases, and shady investment schemes. But fear not, young Padawan, for mastering the art of money management is easier than you think. Start by creating a budget that's as realistic as your childhood dreams of becoming a pirate astronaut. Track your expenses, save for a rainy day, and resist the urge to splurge on that inflatable unicorn floaty you saw on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, let's address the elephant in the room: the pressure to keep up with the Joneses, or should I say, the Kardashians? Thanks to social media, we're bombarded with carefully curated snapshots of other people's seemingly perfect lives, complete with designer handbags and avocado toast brunches. But here's the reality check: comparison is the thief of joy, especially when it comes to money. Just because your neighbor drives a shiny new Tesla or your college buddy is vacationing in Bali doesn't mean you need to max out your credit cards to keep up. Instead of chasing someone else's idea of success, focus on what truly makes you happy and fulfilled, whether it's hiking in the mountains or binge-watching cheesy rom-coms in your pajamas. Now, let's address the big, shiny elephant in the room: the ultimate secret about money. Are you ready? Lean in close, because I'm about to drop some wisdom that's juicier than a ripe watermelon on a hot summer day. The ultimate secret about money isn't about how much you have. It's about how you use it to create a life that's rich in experiences, relationships, and personal fulfillment. It's about finding balance between chasing your dreams and savoring life's simple pleasures. It's about recognizing that true wealth isn't measured in dollars and cents, but in moments of laughter, acts of kindness, and the priceless memories we create along the way. The next time you find yourself stressing about money or chasing after the elusive dream of financial freedom, take a deep breath and remember this ultimate secret, because in the grand scheme of life, money is just one piece of the puzzle, and as long as you're living a life filled with love, laughter, and a healthy dose of humor, You're already richer than you realize. And with that, I bid you adieu, my fellow money mavens. May your wallets be fat, your hearts be full, and your adventures be epic. Until next time, stay financially fabulous. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found it helpful and subscribe to Clumbox for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below and we'll do well to reply. Keep thriving with us and see you next time.